Welcome to ParentPedia. Children, today we learn about computers. Let's start. A computer is a very useful machine that makes our work faster. Now, parts of computer. The first part is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also displays the result. Now, second part is keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers, and special symbols. Now, the third part is mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons on it. It is used to point, move, and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Now, the fourth part is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of computer. It helps a computer to think and do all its work. Now, the fifth part is printer. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. It can print both in black and white or color. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Now, the sixth part is scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from posters, magazines pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. Now, the seventh part is a speaker. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear sound effects stored in a computer. Now, the next part is UPS. When electricity goes off, it is a device that makes the computer work. Children, now we will learn about uses of computer. The uses of computer are write letters, draw pictures, listen music, and play games. Now, children, at the last we will learn about lab manners. The lab manners are: press the keys gently. Don't eat or drink at the time of operating the computer. Don't pull wires. Okay children, bye-bye. See you soon.